Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping My Life in Order. And today, you guys, we are doing another fun project. In this project, you guys, we are going to declutter and organize my beauty area. I love this area. This is one of my most favorite areas in my room. However, it is a hot mess. You guys, I have so much stuff that I need to get rid of, throw away, disregard, change out these little raggedy looking, barely hanging on bins. You guys, this is so bad. I mean, it's really bad. It's stuff on these shelves that don't even need to belong here. So in this video, you guys, we are going to go ahead and completely revamp this entire area. I'm super duper excited about it. So you guys, let's go ahead and get started with this video. All right, you guys, for this project, I'm gonna start from the bottom shelf and work my way all the way up to the top, because I know the actual last two rows are where I need to focus and concentrate on the most. So let's go ahead and get started with getting this decluttering, you guys. I'm so excited, and I hope this video motivates you. If you have any kind of like beauty areas or makeup or anything like this, I hope it motivates you to go ahead and get these things organized and disregard the things you don't need. So let's have some fun. You guys, look at this. Look at this. These are those 3 containers that came out of that 3-tier storage bin. Look at that. This thing is so broken down. Yeah, I know I done had it probably about, I don't know, maybe 4 years. But you guys, this is ridiculous. Oh my goodness. Remote controls, cords for cell phones, Post-it notes, pens. You guys, let's go ahead and get this stuff wiped the heck out. I can't believe it looks so bad. This looks so bad, you guys. You guys, fun fact, this actual 3-tier storage container actually used to store all of my makeup. You guys, when I first bought this, I was so excited about this actual bin, and now I know that I have completely outgrown it because half of this makeup I don't wear, and then also I have other makeup that's in my bathroom, and this has pretty just become a catch-all area, you guys. I not only have makeup in here, but I also have the wax cubes in here. Y'all, when I first bought this, I really was in love with this container, but now I just completely have abused it. The container, don't get me wrong, the container is still in great condition. I'll probably be using it for something else, but I definitely will not be having this on my beauty shelf anymore. But you guys, I just wanted to share that fun fact with you. All right, you guys, don't come for me, but yep, this is exactly what came off of those 3 lower shelves, y'all. So what I did was, as I was decluttering, I wanted to like put everything in categories and stuff like that, and as you can see, it's just so much. And that white bag is actually, those are the things I'm gonna throw away, but y'all had so much stuff. You see how you can accumulate so much stuff in even a small space? As long as you have containers, it's just not organized, you just throwing everything in there. Y'all, this has really had become just a catch-all for me, as you can see. But I just wanted to show you guys, this is everything that came off of those 3 lower shelves. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. But yeah, now we're gonna go ahead and start actually, you know, getting ready to organize it and set it up how I want it to look. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, these are some of the items that I will be using to help me organize this project. I may not be using all of them, however, I wanted to share that with you. I did get these items from the Dollar Tree, and if you haven't seen my most recent Dollar Tree haul, please go check out this video because these items were in that haul. All right, you guys, now I'm doing a staging process. Fun fact, always stage your items according to how you use them the most. If you like have a certain kind of lotion that you like to use the most, if you know you have a certain amount of jewelry that you wear every single day, I always try to keep those items towards the front when you're doing your staging process. All right, you guys, here is the big reveal. I am so happy. If you notice right here on this second shelf, I do have some jewelry there because this is a jewelry that I like to wear like pretty much every day. So I wanted to put that right there because I always will be reaching for that on a daily basis. And you guys, I just like the way I turned everything completely around, you guys. I love it. I got rid of a whole lot of stuff, as you can see, and it's very simplified. It's not cluttered. It's not like a whole lot of stuff on the shelves. I really want to pretty much maximize my space, but also have it look really neat and not cluttered and bulky. So I hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.